I was freezing in this studio, and this is a great way to stay warm. It is from Duraflame. It's the portable stove heater with the flame effect. This is new last month. We've had over 2.1 million Duraflame heaters sold here at QVC. It is our #1 stove heater brand. Comparable retail value, we're talking $116. Today, you are getting it for $76.98. This is my pick of the show, and I have to say, this was actually my first introduction to Duraflame. This was the one that my parents first purchased, and I remember not only loving the heating effect, but the magic of that great portable fireplace everywhere you go. Now, we have 2 color options for you in studio. We have the bronze and our cinnamon, which is the red. We've sold out of our other colors, but in the bronze, we have 75. And in the cinnamon, we only have 550 to go around. I'm going to welcome in my friend, Emily Scott. I'm so happy to talk a little bit about staying warm with you today, Emily, because I am cold. It is cold here.
John, it is so cold. I mean, 2 words, polar vortex. I'm not as sure exactly what it is, but it can't be good. I mean, it is freezing outside. And a lot of us could use a little bit of a space heater this time of year, especially when it's so cold. But a lot of us could also use a little bit of relief from the high cost of heating our homes, which seems to be going up and up and up. Well, Duraflame started in 1972 as a method, as a strategy to heat your home more efficiently in hopes of saving you money over time. You do this by tapping your furnace down and replacing the heat with more efficient heat. So this little pint-sized powerhouse that's just about 14 inches wide, stunningly beautiful, runs for a cost of about 25 cents an hour, which is incredibly efficient, but it will add 6 degrees to a 400 square foot room, a significant amount of heat.
Yeah, I mean, it truly is. I was so impressed the first time I saw this, and we've talked a little bit about it, but this was the first Duraflame that my parents had at their house. And I remember, I think I was coming home from college or something, and I saw this sitting next to their fireplace, and I had no idea what it was. It was like, is that a portrait? Like, what is going on with this flame effect? And then you feel the power of it. And they kept it in their living room with the vaulted ceilings. And the way it fills up that space and gives you that warmth is really incredible.
Yeah, you know, I love the fact that they have a portable fireplace next
in front
to
of the real
fireplace, because real fireplaces really don't get the job done, and they're messy and they're a lot of work. I have a gas-powered one, which is really, really expensive to run. But let me show you the power of this pint-sized powerhouse. So right now, we're putting out 303 degrees of heat out of here. But look at how we make. I'm going to take a temperature reading right from the flame effect itself, 91 degrees. Our bodies are 98. And from up here on the top of the heater, I'm just trying to see what that is, it's 79 degrees. So it is just an incredibly powerful heater. Now, there are 3 heat settings. I don't know if we can, probably see better on yours. Yeah, there. So that like red button on the side, that's the power. That's just what turns it on. And then you can run it, and this is something you really don't hear about space heaters. You can run it with no heat at all. So what does that mean? It means you have a personal fireplace 12 months of the year. That 0 is no heat at all. The 750 is what we call our low setting. That's 750 watts. And our high setting is the highest allowable wattage for residential use. It's 1,500 watts.
I love it. I love that you can customize it. I did crank it up because it's a little cold in the studio today. I was sitting there earlier being like, I can't wait for the Duraflame, because it really is cold. It's just so great, but also the fact that I can touch this right now, right? And it's giving that heat, but it's got that kind of built-in safety to it, where if you've got the pets or the little ones, you obviously don't want them spending too much time with this, but if they tap it, it's not warm at all.
Yeah, absolutely. You can touch it everywhere. That handle on the top is not only charming and beautiful, but that's a handle to lift it up and take it with you from space to space. It's all metal and glass construction. The side of it, we've opened up the side. You can see right here, because the flame effect, people have fallen in love with what Duraflame can do to a room. Add that instant ambiance, add that instant charm. I'll put mine kind of like on a diagonal so you can see the side of it. And you have this glowing log ember bed, and then you have dancing, flickering flames on a kind of like a domed screen in the back, which means we give you a little bit of 3 dimension. We just want that flame effect to be big and bold and realistic. But the big story is the way you heat your home. When we talk about adding 6 degrees to 400 square feet, 6 degrees is the difference between setting your home thermostat at 64 degrees, which is way too cold, right?
Right.
But actually enjoying 70 degrees of heat, because you're going to get at least 6 degrees from this heater in a room that's 20 by 20 square feet. It's a big room. It's a lot of heat.
Yeah, it really is incredible. And the fact that we have it at a sale price, do not wait on this. I mean, it should be $85. We have it today for $76.98. We only have 60 left in the bronze and 525 in the cinnamon, which, I mean, pick up that cinnamon, get that great pop of color, but truly, you are getting that great heat as well. Make sure you are placing your orders. Call 800-500-7590, especially if you are sitting on the couch, cozy, or you're maybe a little cold and you're like, I really, really need to find a solution to this. This is it. Pick it up while you can before we run out, because it really is not only that great heat and that great way to save on those bills, but you also are getting this fireplace element, which you can bring with you really to any room in the house. If you have that room that just never warms up, we've talked about it. Growing up, my brother had that room that never got cold in the summer, got too, you couldn't regulate it.
Yeah, exactly. You know what? We all have these cold spots in our home, like the home office, the fixed room over the garage. Kitchens are so cold because you've got stone and tile and these surfaces that kind of hold the cold. To bring a Duraflame into these spaces and heat it up and make it cozy, the heat is instant. You feel it immediately. It's a powerful heater. Now, our heaters, this is our standard heating technology. It's called nichrome. Our standard Duraflame heaters that are about 2 feet wide, they're kind of the size of this table almost right here. It's the same exact heating element. So you're getting this incredible amount of heat, this volume of heat. This is how we can tap that the furnace down and add the heat back, but it's only 14 inches. So I love that it fits in spaces that other heaters will not fit in. And I also love, John, that it is so beautiful. This is not a space heater that, February, you're like, can I put that away?
Yeah.
March, can I put that away? No, you leave it out all year long. Let it blend in with your home decor. It's really that beautiful. And remember, you can run it without any heat at all and just sit and cozy up to a fireplace.
Now, Emily, is this safe to put on, a countertop or a rug?
Yep. Yes, you can use this anywhere except outside. You should never use a space heater that's directly exposed to the elements, and not in a bathroom, because bathrooms tend to get sweaty, so you don't want to use a heater in a bathroom, but that's all heaters.
Right. But the fact that you were able to pick up this portable warmth, take this from room to room at a sale price, do not wait on this. $76.98 is the price. Comparable retail value, we're talking $116. So you decide whether you want our cinnamon, which is our red. We have more options still available in that, because the bronze is super limited. We had other colors for you and they've all sold out. We only have 4 dozen left in the bronze. Do not wait on this. We have a lot of cold months still ahead of us, Emily. And this really is something that you will be thrilled you have. But even as we get into those spring and summer months where you're chasing the temperature, where some days it is freezing and some days it is scorching hot, this is a way to not have to go to the thermostat and try to chase it.
Exactly. Your furnace is your biggest, most expensive appliance in your home. So the spring and the fall, those transitional months where you have a cold morning and a warm afternoon, it takes hours for that furnace to adjust to that. But this Duraflame gives you that heat right away. You can add the heat exactly to the space you're in. It's absolutely done so beautifully. But I agree with you. I mean, January and February to me are tough months. These are months I'm not going out unless I have to. I'm spending a lot of time inside. It is cold. It is dark. I have never, John, have you ever heard somebody say, February, boy, that flew by? Like, it's a cold, brutal, shortest month of the year.
I feel like January has been 3 years long already.
It has been.
And the fact that it keeps getting colder and colder, I'm like, I already have a Duraflame and I'm about to pick this up just even for that lighting element with the heat to have, you know, in your bedroom where maybe you don't have that fireplace or that illumination. It gives you that cozy feeling that is just so nice to come home to. You will be excited to get in the door, to take off your shoes, take off your coat, and turn on your Duraflame, sit down and watch your favorite movies. It truly is such a great addition to your home, not only in look, but in the practicality of that heat and taking down those heating bills. You are getting it today at a sale price of $76.98. You just choose whether you want the bronze, we only have a few dozen left in the bronze, or our cinnamon, which is our red. We have 500 left in that. Emily, Duraflame really does it better than anyone else when we talk about this heating.
#1 heating brand on QVC, which is a big statement to be able to make. But we've been here for 53 years trying to save people money on their home heating costs. And I have to tell you, my daughter is in New Orleans, right?
Okay.
She sent me picture today. They have like 9 inches of snow in New Orleans. She's like, this is not why I came here for a semester. You know, it is just cold. Beautiful time to pick up such an elegantly styled gear.
It really is. It really is. Emily, it's always great to spend time with you. I hope you stay warm. I will see you very, very soon.
Yes, sir, my friend. Thanks, Don.
Bye, Emily. And if you had